Welcome to Jaed English Center.
Have you ever felt like your days are running away? You wake up, scroll your phone, go through the same routine. And at night, you wonder, where did my day go? Time is the most valuable gift we have. But here is the truth. Most people waste it without realizing. Every single day, we all get 24 hours, 1,440 minutes, 86,400 seconds. The question is, what are you doing with them? Let me tell you a story. There was a man who worked long hours but never made progress. He always said, "I'll start learning tomorrow. I'll fix my habits next week." But weeks turned into months, months turned into years, and nothing changed. Then one day, he realized something powerful. Time will never stop for anyone. The perfect day will never come. The perfect moment is right now. He started small, just 30 minutes a day. He made a plan. Morning, read 1 page. Afternoon, practice speaking for 10 minutes. Evening, write 1 short paragraph. Slowly, his days became meaningful. He was no longer running behind life. He was running ahead. My friend, you don't need more hours in a day. You just need a clear plan and the courage to start. In this video, I will show you how to use your time wisely, build powerful habits, and improve your English step by step. Because once you control your time, you control your life. Let's begin this journey together. Habits shape our future. What you do every day, even the smallest actions, decide where your life will go. Most people think they need big changes overnight. But the truth is, small habits are the secret to success. Think about it. If you practice English for just 10 minutes every day, that's 70 minutes in a week. In 1 month, you will have practiced 5 hours. In 1 year, more than 60 hours. That is how confidence is built. Slowly, 1 step at a time. Let me share a simple system to build strong habits. Step 1. Start small. Choose 1 tiny habit. It could be listening to English podcasts while having breakfast, or reading 1 page of a book. Step 2. Stay consistent. Do it every single day, even if it's just 5 minutes. Consistency beats motivation. Step 3. Track your progress. Write it down. Mark your calendar. Seeing your progress will keep you excited. Step 4. Reward yourself. After you finish your daily habit, celebrate it. Say good job to yourself. This will train your brain to enjoy the process. Building habits is like planting seeds. At first, you see nothing. But if you water them every day, soon you will see growth. The same is true for English learning. At first, you may feel stuck. You may make mistakes. But every day you show up, you get better. Remember, habits are stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. But habits keep you moving forward even on the days you don't feel like it. So, my friend, choose 1 habit today. Keep it simple. Stick with it for 30 days. And watch how your life and your English skills transform. Music fades softly. This is the power of habits. They turn small actions into big results. Success begins in the mind. If your thoughts are weak, your actions will be weak. But if your thoughts are strong, nothing can stop you. When learning English, many people think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? But let me tell you something. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher. Every mistake you make is 1 step closer to fluency. Think about children. When they learn to walk, they fall hundreds of times. But they never say, "This is too hard, I quit." They get up. They try again. And one day, they start running. Your English journey is the same. You will make mistakes. You will forget words. Sometimes you will feel shy, but that is a sign that you are learning. Here is a powerful mindset shift. Stop thinking, I must speak perfect English. Start thinking, I must speak brave English. Brave English means you open your mouth, you try, even when you are scared. Confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. Then confidence grows. Every time you speak, you are training your brain to be stronger. Another secret, stop comparing yourself with other people. Your journey is your own. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Speak to yourself like a friend. Instead of saying, I am bad at English, say, I am learning every day. Your words create your reality. When you speak with kindness, your mind becomes calm. And when your mind is calm, you learn faster. So remember, shift your mindset. Be brave, take action, and trust the process. Your future self will thank you for not quitting. Now that your mindset is strong, it's time to take action. Let me share with you a simple 7-step system to improve your English faster and with more confidence. Step 1. Listen every day. Listening is the foundation. Choose one English podcast, one short video, or even a song you like. Listen every single day. This trains your ears to recognize sounds and words without pressure. Step 2. Speak out loud. Don't just listen, repeat. Say what you hear. Read a short paragraph and record your voice. At first, it may sound strange, but this is how you train your mouth and tongue to speak clearly. Step 3. Learn in small chunks. Instead of memorizing 100 words, learn just 3 to 5 useful phrases a day. For example, how are you today? That sounds great. Can you repeat that? Phrases help you speak naturally, not just like a dictionary. Step 4. Practice thinking in English. When you wake up, describe your morning in English inside your head. I am brushing my teeth. I am making coffee. This builds fluency without waiting for someone to talk to. Step 5. Read for fun. Choose books or articles you actually enjoy. It could be short stories, news about your favorite topic, or even comic books. When reading feels fun, you will never feel bored. Step 6. Write a little every day. Start with 1 sentence a day. Write about your day, your plans, or your feelings. Slowly turn 1 sentence into a paragraph. This improves grammar and helps you express yourself better. Step 7. Stay consistent. And celebrate consistency is the real secret. Even 10 minutes a day is more powerful than studying once a week for hours. And don't forget to celebrate. Smile and say, yes, I practiced today. Remember, learning English is not a race. It's a journey. With these 7 steps, you will get a little better every day. One day you will wake up and realize you are speaking English with confidence and ease. My friend, we have talked about time, about habits, about mindset, and about a simple system to learn English step by step. But now, it is your turn. No video can change your life if you don't take action. You don't need to wait for the perfect day. You don't need to wait until you feel ready. Start today. Start small. Take 1 step. Listen to 1 English podcast. Read 1 page. Speak 1 sentence. Do it today. Because here is the truth. You are not just learning English. You are training your mind. You are teaching yourself discipline, focus, and patience. Every small action is building a stronger version of you. And one day you will look back and see how far you've come. There will be hard days. You will feel tired. You will feel lazy. You will feel like quitting. But remember the words we started with today. Keep going. These 2 words will push you forward when nothing else works. They will remind you that the journey is not over yet. So, my friend, promise yourself right now, that no matter what happens, you will not quit. You will take one step every day. And if this video inspired you, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Your future self is waiting. Your dreams are waiting. So take a deep breath, smile, and take your first step today. Because the life you want is just one small habit away.